Aero price prediction. I will not waste a second of your time. Let's go. In the last video, I gave you this long and this short. In the last video, this was 2 days ago, and we printed very well. So right now, I'll give you two calls on the next, the two areas I'm watching out for, and they're marked on my chart. They're the 108 to 109 and 115 to 116.36. I'll be shorting if we go here. I'll be longing if we go here with a very quick profit to earn around VWAP. This is basically the strategy. I'm very confident in it. I'm very happy with my results in the last few days. We've printed so hard. It's actually insane. Look at the short right here. It's been very easy. It's been very fun and it's been very easy. So I'm really hoping I can get some good trades, even even today. Hopefully it's not a slow day, but yeah. We're up to 162 grand on BOOX, 30 grand on this new wallet. If you want to follow my trades, I'm doing these videos daily, but if you want like real-time stuff, use the links in the description down below for my course and Signals chat. I've priced them pretty cheap, cheaper than most places. And yeah, let me know if you have questions in the comment section down below. This video is no financial advice. Bye.